Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video covers the tutorial for connecting the Skydroid G16 to the CUAV X7 Plus flight controller. This video is mainly divided into three parts. What products are used in this test? How to connect the wiring. How to set it up. What products are used in this test? The products used in this setup include the Skydroid G16 remote controller, GR01 receiver, CUAV X7 Plus flight controller, and a Tata 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used include the Skydroid G16S.bus plus Telem cable, X7 Plus power module, G16 receiver power cable, and a USB cable. How to connect. Connect the Telem 1 SBUS port of the GR01 receiver to the RC port and Telem 1 port of the X7 Plus flight controller. The connector for the GR01 Telem 1 SBUS port is GH1.255 pin. The X7 Plus telemetry port connector is GH1.256 pin. The X7 Plus RC port uses a 3-pin DuPont connector. Use the GR01 power cable to supply power to the receiver. The receiver side uses an XT30 connector, and the other end is a JST 2.54 mm 2P connector. Connect the power module to the battery to supply power to the X7 Plus flight controller. Connect the remote controller to the computer using a USB cable. Then connect to the Mission Planner ground station. How to set it up. In Mission Planner, go to the full parameter list and find the telemetry port we just connected, which is Telem 1. Search for Serial 1. We can see that the flight controller baud rate is set to 57,600. Now check the baud rate on the remote controller. You will see that it is also set to 57,600. Only Only when the baud rate of the flight controller and the remote controller are exactly the same can the flight controller successfully connect to the ground station. Open the QGC ground station, click Application Settings in the top left corner, and go to COM Links. Pick it. First, enter any name. Select UDP as the type, and set the port to 14551. For the server address, enter 127.0.0.1:14552. Then click Add Server. Finally, click Save in the upper right corner. In the COM Links page, click Connect. Return to the flight view. Move the flight controller and you will see the real-time status update in the ground station. Click the top left corner to enter settings. Go to the radio calibration page and move the sticks on the remote controller. You will see that S.bus control is functioning properly. This concludes the Skydroid G16 connecting to CUAV X7 Plus flight controller tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and user guides. See you in the next video.